द्यवा पृथिव्योरिदमन्तरं हि व्याप्तं त्वयैकेन दिशश्च सर्वाः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतं रूपमग्रं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रव्यथितं महात्मन्. This intermediate space between heaven and earth, as also all the directions, is pervaded by you yourself alone. O noble-minded one, the three worlds are extremely terrified by seeing this strange form of yours that is difficult to comprehend. अमीहित्वां सुरसङ्घा विशन्ति केचिद्भीताः प्राञ्जलयो गृह्णन्ति स्वस्तीत्युक्त्वा महर्षिसिद्धसङ्घाः स्तुवन्ति त्वां स्तुतिभिः पुष्कलाभिः. These very groups of gods enter into you, struck with fear, some extol you with joined palms, groups of great sages and siddhas, saying, May it be well with the whole world, praise you with fully meaningful hymns. रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्या विश्वे यश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घा वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे. Those who are the Rudras, the Adityas, the Vasus, and the Sandhyas, the Vishwadevas, the two Ashwins, the Maruts, and the Ushmapas, and hosts of Gandharvas, Yakshas, demons, and Siddhas see you, and all without exception are struck with wonder. रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादं बहूदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्. O mighty armed one, seeing your immeasurable form, which has many mouths and eyes, numerous arms, thighs, and feet, and many bellies, and which is fearful with many teeth, the creatures are extremely distressed, and so am I. नभःस्पृशं दीप्तमनेकवर्णं वैत्ताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रं दृष्ट्वा हि त्वं प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो. O Vishnu, by merely saying, you who are touching the sky and are blazing, who have various disposition of limbs and are open-mouthed and have fiery large eyes, I, becoming extremely distressed in mind, do not find steadiness and calmness. Dangshtrakaralani chate mukhani दृष्ट्वैव कालाननसन्निभानि दिशो न जने दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. Having merely seen your mouths, which are made of frightening with their teeth and resemble the fire of dissolution, I have lost the sense of direction, and I find no joy. Be gracious, O Lord of gods, O abode of the universe. अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घ्यैः भीष्मो द्रोणः सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्ग्यैः. And into you enter all the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with the multitudes of the rulers of the earth, Bhishma, Drona, as also that son of Asuta, Karna, together with even our prominent warriors. They rapidly enter into your terrible mouths, which are made fearful with their teeth. Some are seen sticking fast in the gaps between the teeth, with their heads crushed. यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्रान्नभिविज्ज्वलन्ति. As the many rushing currents of the waters of rivers tending towards the sea enter into it alone, similarly do these heroes of the human world enter into your mouths, which are blazing all around. यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतंगा विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः स्तवापि भक्तानि समृद्धवेगाः. As moths accelerating their speed enter into a glowing fire to be destroyed, in that very way do the creatures also, accelerating their speed, enter into your mouths to be destroyed. लेलीह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन्ताद् लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरा पूर्य जगत् समग्रं भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णु. You lick your lips while devouring all the creatures from every side with your flaming mouths, completely filling the entire world with your glows. O Vishnu, your fierce flames are scorching. Akshahi me ko bhavanugra रूपो नमस्तु ते देव वर प्रसीद विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तमाद्यं न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम्. Tell me who you are of such cruel form. Salutation be to you, O Supreme God, be gracious. I desire to know you, who are the primal one, because I do not understand your actions. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. The blessed Lord said, कालोऽस्मि लोकक्षयकृत् प्रवृद्धो लोकान् समाहर्तुमिह प्रवृत्तः ऋतेऽपि त्वां न भविष्यन्ति सर्वे येव स्थिताः प्रत्यनीकेषु योधा. I am death, the destroyer of all, who have grown in stature. I have now become active for devouring people. Even without you, all the warriors arrayed in the confronting armies will cease to exist. तस्मात् त्वमुत्तिष्ठ यशो लभस्व जित्वा शत्रून् भुङ्क्ष्व राज्यं समृद्धं मयैवैते निहताः पूर्वमेव निमित्तमात्रं भव सव्यसाचिन्. Therefore you rise up and gain fame, and defeating the enemies enjoy a prosperous kingdom. These have been killed by myself even before. Be you merely an instrument, O Savyasachin. द्रोणञ्च भीष्मञ्च जयद्रथञ्च कर्णं तथान्यानपि योधवीरान् मया हतांस्त्वां जहिमा व्यथिष्ठा युद्धस्य जेतासि रणे सपत्नान्. You destroy Drona and Bhishma, and Jayadratha and Karna, as also the other heroic warriors who have been killed by me. Do not be afraid, fight. You shall conquer the enemies in battle. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya said, एतत् श्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानः किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूयैवाह कृष्णं सगद्गदं भीतभीतः प्रणम्य. Hearing this utterance of Keshava, Kiriti, Arjuna, trembling and saluting Krishna with joined palms, said again with a faltering voice, bowing down because of extreme fear. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, स्थाने ऋषिकेश तव प्रकीर्त्या जगत् प्रहिष्यत्यनुरज्यते च रक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्घाः. It is reasonable, O Rishikesha, that the world derives intense joy and becomes attracted by your extraordinary fame, that the Rakshasas, stricken with fear, run in all directions, and that all the groups of the Siddhas bow down to you. कस्माच्च तेन न मेरन् महात्मन् गरीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽप्यादिकर्त्रे अनन्तदेवेश जगन्निवास त्वमक्षरं सद् असत्तत्परं यत्. Or why should they not bow down to you, O exalted one, who are greater even than Brahma and are the first creator? O infinite one, the Lord of the gods, abode of the universe, you are the real and the unreal, as also the imperishable, which is transcendental to those two. Tvamadideva Purusha Purana Swamasya Vishwasya Param Nidhanam Vettasi Vidyancha Parancha Dhama Tvayatatam Vishvam Anantarupa. You are the primal deity, the pervader, the unborn one. You are the ultimate repository of this universe. You are the knower as also the knowable and the supreme